Now, before we pop style, let's see what made the Intense 5 this week. Guess who's coming home?
Oh, yeah.
Yup, the original Gargamel is being released. I'm sure he can't wait, and I'm sure the fans can't wait either, aka Ashley Miller.
Countdown is real. So we heard it was definitely on. No, it's definitely off. Sting has been postponed. Apparently there just wasn't enough time to get it ready for December 26th. Next year shall be greater. Okay.
Speaking of on and off, these are definitely off, but Pete Davidson has blocked ex-fiancée Ariana Grande on social media. He says she's not good for his health. Oh my, thank you next.
Thank you
Pete.
next, yeah. I don't get it. Offset and Cardi not together? Ugh. See why you must follow people's lives on social media? Half the time, it's not real.
And finally holding the spot this week. Yeah, we said it already, but we're gonna say it again. Dalton Andre Harris is the winner of X Factor UK.
Woohoo!
Support his single Power of Love on iTunes. Keep it at number 1.
Oh, yeah.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.